Fufu don't blow before upcoming artists. Math to read they no go joke. They say youth are the leaders of tomorrow. A one carriage for our own country. Then tongue na say youth are the future of tomorrow. Now which kind country this way man they go school, go graduate, get certificate, come out the cash na wish. Anglophone crisis too don't make you go enter inside GCE hall now. So see all the picking the way they should don't inside GCE hall. You chase you then an adult school. You see all the man where she don't for right O level, they the invigilator where she don't for rest. And the meeting where they pay you today no make you forget where you go pay you tomorrow. Because today more finish me tomorrow come. So more time naming ceremony they go start by we go start here the way name that they come out from Euro to Abongbu. You the year the way name they come out from dollar to Takinjang. Legit plug to Akongwi math. American Ninja was start pa. I don't shoot the man, you know the die. No, you no shoot me, I dodge him, you know see the way where I dodge him. No, I know you still play me again, the man the cheat, the cheat. More enter the real discussion then now. For the cultural part for the our country, I know the fair understand me how I don't even know whether that what's a culture, why would they even use them for the country? You the year thing they call an cultural association, cultural development waiting, but at the end of the day, none of that thing they want at the talk so no they even respect culture. How you feel she don't discuss cultural matters of a particular culture using a different language, meanwhile that culture get its own language. If they hold some cultural meeting at the national level or regional level, if you understand say no, for that one now they try to talk English and French so that all man for they feel understanding. But you know, tell me say for example inside Bafoot people they the whole meeting for talk thing the way it concern Bafoot, then they talk with foreign language. When I want to explain that thing then when I sense and not sour for the country on a way to be the problem. You really can't say Bangui, you can't say Bangui people that the whole Bangui meeting. You want to go inside and she don't talk their English. Inside Bangui say that the whole Bangui meeting. When at the end of the day when I talk how we know we get some cultural meeting for this. So when I know begin work away when I time. Most language and this over Cameroon they are based and are almost the same. If for example if man the way they talk Bafoot country talk fine, he go understand almost all that village the way they around Bafoot, man way they talk womb country talk fine, you go to understand almost all. The problem now way they feel Kiwi for Cameroon and say most of we no still know that country talk them again. Yes. If you don't know you Bangui country talk, how you do understand where Bambili man they talk am. But if you know Bangui country talk, when Bambili man they talk, you go to understand. Bafoot man they talk, you go to understand. And I say they but you see and I say most of we will not even know that country talk. Language na a resource. We need to learn how to maintain the resource. The fact say we hold our language, it no mean na say we do na bad thing. That one na thing we already get them now our culture. Na job we maintain our culture. You know if you hold something just left the team me fall for down anyhow. I'ma tell you, if you get problem with person, you and that person no get understanding so una fit solve that problem. Whether foreigner can talk say waiting, nothing no go change. If Bangui man no fit talk country talk with Bambili man, they solve their problem. English and French no go solve the problem between Bangui and Bambili. When I need to know that one, we really need to work more on our culture. We need to maintain our culture more than thing what they do now. So I don't talk say if na at the national or regional level, understand say yeah, we fit use English and French for day so that plenty people they fit understand from plenty different background. But you know if you tell me say for inside village level. I mean say inside village level when I do una thing the way it concern una village, but when I do and with foreign language, then what did that one mean? It really means that one now we be foolish people. For example, people then the way they don't go cast Bambili 7 years, come out go university for Bambili go graduate, but they don't know one sentence for Bambili country talk or even Bambui country talk where they for corner. But go for Banso. Now why that me I like that village say Banso for the war because Banso they so even they are fun one ginyam. That means say even president for America or who lies Banso man no respect no man rich fun. That is culture and I saw it already did. It did the same like for England. English man no go respect any man for the war rich queen for England. But who come for una for pay when I just forget about una own thing and then they concentrate on all of a different thing them. And another point, any man who don't go school for Banso, You no fit stay for Banso for 1 year wey you no know at least one sentence of Banso. Na one thing that man make Amuna know the way how Banso dey promote the culture. You no fit stay for Banso for some, say even for short time, you must know at least one sentence for Banso. And upon all the country talk wey Banso man dey talk am all time, morning, afternoon, evening, call boy say bui. Na still dem be one of the most educated people there for Cameroon. Una explain that one na her. Una English and French make am Banso man get sense. For Cameroon, you follow girl before you want tell girl say you like him or tongue and say I love you. Say you go so like for inside come, you see come boy they follow come girl. The only way if you tell that girl say like that girl and say I love you. When the one finish to say it's over. When one marry man for Cameroon you to say will you marry me? Then na charm where them put am for una head. And the funniest thing I say you must talk that thing then all English as it is so. Then some people then too they will know they understand. Some man go hook up, poor man he go make knock door, go make country married. Go make engagement party, go make wedding, then make court marriage, then go honeymoon. You are wasting time. No day way why man they make knock door, go make country married. Why man they make the engagement, do your wedding, finish. Why be say una for the country, then born you na for who call the married. You who go one marry all married them for the war. Hey, my country married come. I go to marry for church for marry for court. Now the waste time. Come even for side for sports. You see African they open football school them for the train European player them. African they know the open football school for train African players. And even for Cameroon, other football school they want to open a football school for the train European players. At the end of the day, they'll say CAF. Or that African Football Federation waiting the whole meeting for see how to develop football for develop and for which way for Africa before they want us a man the play ball find a man way on the play ball na the European way. Well, on a look for Europe, Italian league be different from French league. It be different from Premier League. It be different from German league. And so all the day and it continue na only so. German football get own system. English football get own. French football get own. Spanish football get own. And now only so they play. When you come meet up for World Cup, you bring your system, I bring my system. Man we win, either win the trophy. And now why there you see and say most African countries they lament for World Cup. Why? Because most African countries they still playing at that European system of football. How you do the learn something for person there you go again for go compete with that person. By now so for Africa, we don't already know the rules of the game. Play the ball anyhow. Play the ball with our own African style. African they be physique day. We not play the ball with our own way, but follow the rules of the game. Even if you chuk ball na chuchuka or your head to score go, they will still take that World Cup give you so far as you follow rules of the game, win the match. They will still carry that trophy so give you. When I look like this South American country them. No be say football start for they just understand that the rules of the game play ball their own way. The way them and then they play football no be the way European they play ball. They play ball with their own style, then get their own approach. And now why that they go far. The only thing I say wait till they understand the rules of the game, then they apply their own knowledge. Now they play their ball as easy as that. But you come for Cameroon, for example, you see Cameroon they carry formation where Spain we don't use them. Then they go again for go play Spain. How many you do win them? You take people their formation, carry again go for go use them for the people. You just see Saramanto say 4-3-3. He carry Busquets, put and put another. You don't know whether Busquets he gain a which energy way if he cope with the other people. Then the player then according to their energy, their technique, and you just come for Cameroon to carry 3 horse, then go put them for midfield say 4-3-3. You know if you cope. Time the pass, we too will need for the learn. When you learn to you go graduate. You person know the learner continue, you know the being a student forever. Even though learning never ends. But even for school, when you learn continue, you graduate to come out to teach people. We need to be when they say independent, we need to function in an independent way. For do our own thing for our own kind way, develop for our own kind way. Europeans or white or other countries, they are developing in their own way. We not follow that same dimension because we not go for cope. Look, even our government they now you see our government they go borrow money for can tar road. When they do nothing, we on a hand no reach day. If we never reach level for tar road, we left with a thing. Why we go borrow money for can tar road? That mean you go borrow money, can buy TV, put am for your house, they watch the TV every day. You want carry high blood. Cut your coat according to your size. They talk every day. Why you go borrow money for can tar road? The worst thing I say at the end of the day, we know the sea road and we know the sea money. For the level who they now so for the country, government feel only invest now on humans. Invest for your youth them, invest for your people them, for your country. In time to come, that infrastructure will be now nothing. That infrastructure they will do an effortlessly, will tar road, will no stress. Will be kind house, then will hotel, the mansion, the way will no stress, will not go borrow money na borrow one. Invest for your youth them. But now this youth that you go school, go graduate, come out the cash na wish. Man, you go school, go you wanna the really I wish they the leader then so on if you really calm down for street. I mean say calm down for the way where they look at them for Cameroon they live. You know the meaning say you go school where 6 of your big brother they don't go school, go graduate. Maybe 3 no get one, then the rest 3 where they work now some kind of work. Wait to go make Amida Pikin go school, wait to go motivate that Pikin for go school. When I give the youth them a reason to study, when I give the youth them a reason to work hard. Empower people so that when you too see you go get longer for work hard so that they feel empower you. Now so people that they do and they grow. I believe in pass online again I see another sensitive topic. This way man they just born picking they just throw away anyhow so at the back. If one mommy they were parent they be make some kind of mistake then we do you them for the time. Because if you work over outside you see boy with your money not there for your pocket you don't get for picking the way then they there for some side. When I stop when I that kind of thing. If you born picking where you know if you feed and don't know say you don't born thief man. If you born boy where you know if you feed and know say you don't born thief man. If you born girl where you know if you feed and know say you don't already born you na aquara at the beg una. When man one born picking me be responsible me no say if that picking woke up for midnight say one chop biscuit give the biscuit until that picking don't big rich for level where if the work in money on his own. When at the job beg una na beg una no became born picking the AM anyhow for road because nothing and that way they bring thief inside country. Nothing and that way they bring all the bad influence the inside country. That was on time they be even better because internet no be there, some kind thing they no be there. Even if una mami be get una 15, una be get the way una the just turn the struggle the meme. But now so internet don't come, it influence plenty picking the any kind way if it influence them. And then get for the follow na the direction because first you know if you take care of the picking, you know if you put picking for right track. So when picking see any track, it they just follow and in a follow and they go. And this thing for movie there so at the beg na beg. Film there for big people, film there for small people. Even Mimbo they so alcoholic, they non-alcoholic they. Small picking they drink top, big people they drink alcohol. Now the same thing way they even for movie them. Film where big man they wash and no be film where small picking they wash them. When I see the way where you they don't spoil all now for street. Now that Ina and Angelo this way they be wash and that time you the one go money and padish, mommy and padish should don't wash film with picking them. How manage? Mommy and Pa no if you ever watch the same film where picking they wash them. If na say na picking their program where they wash them, if you understand say mommy and Pa can she don't wash them. But you know if you tell me say mommy and Pa they go to watch their program, me small picking can she don't inside all that thing and so they spoil picking them. Yes. You the one come for Cameroon, they never move picking for Bobby, either already wash Isaka Basute the talk am. Wait till you chase you teach that picking. You even see small picking for road 5 years, 6 years, bucket for gateau day for head. All that thing then are very bad. You know if it send 5, 6 year old picking me the go see me the go say wait. Not be where you be parent, you should on for house, you send picking me the go say for road for some kind of age. All that thing then so the spoil picking at the beg na beg. When I try for the control the thing then for the country. When I try, I mean, when they don't read movie say 18 plus or 21 plus, not be foolish people. Think the way 10-year-old picking no supposed to see him. Think the way 15-year-old picking no supposed to see him. Think the way 16-year-old picking no supposed to see him. Think the way 18-year-old picking no supposed to see him. Now whether they the rate thing they go, where you don't reach for the age here, you feel consume the product. Where you don't reach for the age, you feel consume the product. We really need to be sensitive for plenty things them because the impact they go very far. Like the culture thing were the best. So if we respect our culture, fine. They picking the way that they come for our back. So they go see thing what they do and they will follow them. Pikin the chop na thing wey see mommy chop am. Pikin no the woko imagine something na imagine and they chop am. And then come for this side too for our economy with some kind of thing. The man no the job understand. Every day they cry say economy no dey fine. They go borrow money. Country they will not give with some kind of engineer, they will not give with some kind of expert, they will not give with some kind of doctor. I mean, instead for we for invest, that is for invest for people then so that they feel be some kind of career, they feel be some kind of knowledge we will use and help our country. Every year for our own country, they recruit not only military people, thousands of military people. And they ask and say all the military people they every year now for do it to them. Now for go do it to them. You even see and say well leader then they go make mistake. Instead for just accept their mistake, then they want use now and force for sure say that mistake where them do and are correcting. And a very big problem that way most Cameroonian and even African they face them. Who overlife for hide one mistake them most black them. Now so would they and I think that way they make an every day would fall down the go. When we make mistake we not be highlight that mistake correct them. We prefer for hide for bang mistake then make a lesson no mistake na correcting. You come for our country, you really see and the way we know one leader then the whole some kind of thing they know they go find people that they complain. I know they understand how why for example you're there inside office almost all man they complain but you still remain inside that office there you claim say you are a very good you be very good for that position. You come for Cameroon, the born man, he grow for Cameroon, go school for Cameroon, live all a life for Cameroon, who could be minister or governor or delegate. He come up for his office for go talk for the same people the way that they call him say minister. He want go carry like 5 strong military people go throw away outside. Why? Why would not overfeel insecure? So it shows you wanna really be guilty for some. I know they wanna delegate now waiting. When I go abroad, I mean abroad when their system when the copy ram, you go for abroad delegate the worker normally so for rogo enter for shop buy a thing come out. No man because they are doing their work, they do a very good work. But you come for our own country, I mean daily or minister mango one come out for go lunch or go break. Military people all say we. Why would you feel all that kind of insecurity for our country? If you are a good leader where you know say you do good thing where your people they like you always stay close to your people. You know if you go there now far from your people then you use some kind of force for make your people they feel and say no. Then put you for office for work your work where them put you say me work and for office you instead want to use now power. But when I over life exercise power I don't know why. Delegate go the pass one or minister want and say me they fear you. When minister now waiting. When I go abroad, even the people they want to copy from them. Minister for abroad live a very free life. Delegate them, who them, what to governor. They live a very normal and free life. Yeah, that thing I just work with that they give you. And when I forget for no say all that name that they only exist now because of people. That word say governor, it only exists now because people that they exist. If you be governor, you be governor for people. If you are a minister, you are a minister for people. If people they nobody exist, all that name they say minister or governor or delegate or president nobody exists. But why it be say for the country when I then just take the thing, just carrying a power Emma on top. You the minister one pass for you just tell us say na some God now whether na God of war where they don't bring and down say why this one they want take life so life be very simple for do things them be very simple. All the force one they take and for the country so when they help them now for spoil the country. Yes, go even for abroad minister the worker go enter for shop stand for line buy something. A good leader is supposed to be closer to the people, understand the people, try to know the problem the way they happen within the people, solve and with the people, and then that is all. Why be say for the country now only now force, power, wanna talk all man shut up. How can one leader talk all man shut up? You are a leader because you are there for some people. If people they don't talk say they no want and say me the thing there, so why you know the joy here? How people then go to talk say no, this thing no fine for this, so you talk say you be their leader then, but you do your own thing then you go on that side. Means you are a very bad leader. If you did do bad thing, no matter how positive that bad thing be for you, I beg, no ever talk say bad thing a good thing. Yeah, because man go for tongue now waiting for the country level one now. I bet man go to listen and my fine.